What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to create a planner in Canva PC. So firstly, you want to be on Canva homepage, then what you want to do is to go to the search bar and here you're going to search for planner. After you did that, what you want to do is to click on create blank, like so. And now you want to create your planner. You can do it by yourself or you can choose a template by going to the design and to the templates, as you can see right here. So let's see what templates we have right here and we want to choose one from here. Let's save planner for expenses, and here as you can see you can modify everything. You can modify the fixed expenses, for example. You're going to click on it, then you're going to modify the text. You can write here the amount and so on and so forth for everything right here. So this is only an example if you want to make an expenses planner, for example. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.